and welcome back to my channel. Today is another Makeup Monday video. As you can see, I've already got most of the makeup on my face. Today's video is going to be a first impressions / review type of thing on this here Makeup Revolution Amazing Curve Mascara. I have not tried this. I've literally just opened it now and I can't get this part of the packaging off. Fine. We don't need to get that off to get into it. If you are new here, please hit the subscribe button if you enjoy what you see. I do a lot of makeup videos on this channel along with nail videos, live videos, vlogs, everything. And as we come, I know it's still summer, but as we start to get into that kind of like holiday season, there's going to be a heck of a lot going on. So please stick around. Now, let's get into this. I really hope this is a good mascara, but I'm not too sure whether it's going to be. I'm quite picky when it comes to mascaras. I know that there are ones out there that can make your lashes really long, so I expect it from them all. So let's get in there and see how this goes. So, ooh, okay. The brush is like curved. I can already kind of tell, or I feel like I can tell I'm not going to like this just by the brush. But let's just try it and see what happens. I don't know. I don't know, guys. I don't know what's going to happen. Okay, so not super impressed, but not like hating it. So let's do the other eye, or do I just do the one eye? So that's just what like one coat is looking like. There is a big difference between the eyes. I don't mind it at all, actually, you guys. I feel like so far, like they're not really long, but for a cheap mascara, it's not too bad. Let's do that other eye and then we will do another coat. So that is what the one coat on both eyes is looking like. This eye, guys, is so annoying. The eyelid doesn't open as far as the other one. I don't know if you guys have noticed. I notice it all the time when I'm watching my videos and it makes me really sad. But it means that the lashes don't point up as much, so they never look as long, if that makes sense. So you guys can see that. Let's go in with another coat and see what happens. I do not hate this mascara at all, guys. I don't think that this eye looks bad at all. I think I'm going to struggle with the other eye, like, a lot. It's really frustrating, but right, guys, so I have got the two coats on now. Let's talk about this mascara. So this is what it looks like. Obviously, I know this eye looks a lot better. Nothing I can do about it, guys. Hopefully it's not like super noticeable, but I bet it is. Like, but let's talk about the mascara itself. It's actually not that bad. As for the wand, it's going to be hard to explain probably, but I do think that the wand kind of makes it's not strong enough to push through the lashes, which can cause it, like on this eye, to get like a little bit clumpy, if that makes sense. Like, it's not spiky in any way, so they don't like go through the lashes. it's not really added any length to this one, which is really annoying, but it has, I can see that it kind of has on this side, which is kind of strange. But yeah, I think the formula's alright, although I have a feeling it could be one of those that starts to crumble after a few hours. I don't know if you guys have ever had that and you end up with like little crumbly bits of mascara. It might not be, I don't know, and I will vlog today and let you guys know. It will be in my vlog. That will already be up, by the way. When this video goes up, that vlog will already be up. But yeah, I can always do an updated video for this mascara if people are interested, or I will update it and put it in the description box. That's a good idea. So yeah, I mean, it's a good mascara. I can't remember how much it was, but it will have been affordable. So for an affordable mascara, for work, for school, whatever you guys are doing, it's actually probably not so bad. I'm just not 100% keen on the wand, and I don't think it's strong enough. The bristles are not that strong to like push through. It means you have to press on quite hard, which is where you end up getting it on your eyelid. You guys know what I'm talking about with that. So yeah, that is it for this video, guys. I wanted to just do a nice quick review for you guys of the mascara, showing it in action and a little bit of a first impressions where I'm literally using it for the very first time, and I think it's alright. I'm probably going to continue to use it, so yeah. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. I hope it was a little bit informative for you all. If you did enjoy it, please give me a thumbs up, leave me some comments down below, because those really do help my channel out. And like I said earlier, if you're not already subscribed, please hit the subscribe button. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!